A dream I know, deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
Hello reality viewers, welcome back again to Reality Latest Gist, the home of news and politics. For this channel, we dey drop news every day and we dey react to every videos wey comes our way. And na reality news now we dey drop for this channel, and we dey also dey talk am as e be. If today na the first time we say you dey come across this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are returning subscribers, I appreciate all of una for una massive support to this channel. I say may God bless all of una in Jesus name. Amen. I get video where I want present to una this very moment, and I go to follow una, they watch the video. After we don't watch them together, make we drop our opinion constructively for the comment section. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. Bye for now.
You know it been be master. Make una know they put master for in name. I know fit put master for that kind person name. I know fit put master for his name because he is not a master of anything. He's a wicked man. He's a wicked prophet. How can you see that people are gathering against your own brother-in-law, and all you could do is to leave every other thing and the fights, looking for a way of blackmailing Simon Ekpa? Is that a normal human being? No, this man, let us see it like this. He said he's a man of God, no? He know God. He dey talk with God. Then another thing will be most important thing. Now in they close to Nnamdi pass me and you. Me and you that agitate for Biafra only. Now that one concern the only link where we get with Nnamdi. But him, that man, will say him be man of God, will say him be prophet. In the agitate for Biafra, in which Kalu get blood relation, in the marry his own blood sister, will be own sister in sister. No be say na anyhow sister, na him own sister. This one don't hook. In the marry Nnamdi sister. And I believe say that Nnamdi sister don't born children for him. Yes, call him prophet, call him anything, but no put master for his name. No make nobody from now, they put that master prophet well na they call him. No put master, call him any, in short, he no be prophet. Call him wicked man. Because a prophet, if you call him prophet, the person fit no understand what they go think say you they profit anything from him. So call him wicked man or wicked thing. Even if any other person they condemn Simon Ekpa, that man suppose they condemn Simon Ekpa. Is that what he should be doing by now? Ijele don't go court to go get waiting that they call him. Ijele don't go court, go get paper. They don't sign them officially now. Ijele they go court. Next court sitting, if they go testify against Nnamdi, and the waiting in one go testify. In case you don't know, in one go testify say Nnamdi they eat human being. Now waiting in one go talk for court. Ijele one go talk say na no be even Abubago they keep people. No be even unknown government they keep people. Say na Nnamdi and the IPOB. You know, waiting Ijele talk to you, you know me, but now for court in they go testify you. Now waiting Nigerian government you want. They don't give up the money now, you don't chop and make it go testify. Now make we see the level of wickedness. Who they say Simon is a foolish man? Who is that person? Who says so? Oganiru Wadike, don't ever try come here to insult Simon Ekpa. I beg you with God. This is the last time you will ever try it. I've told you people, if you want to insult Simon Ekpa, you have his contacts, you have his email, you have everything, even his WhatsApp is there. Go there, insult him, not in my own program. I beg you. Or you go to Radio Biafra, go there, join them as they know say na blackmailing and insulting. Go there and join them, not here. I beg you, God, no come here. I insult even Simon Ekpa. No. What I am saying is what you should focus. Tell me if it is a lie. Call me on the phone now and tell me that what I am saying is a lie. Don't stay behind the scene and cause rubbish. I don't like it. That is why I give everybody the privilege, the opportunity to call and make yourself clear. That is the way it should be. You should be heard. Everybody should be heard. Everybody should air their opinion. Your opinion is important no matter how small you dey, no matter how big you dey. Nobody should be more equal than the other in this our battle, in this our family. We are nothing but one before God Almighty. What is your problem now? I am telling you that somebody that's supposed to sit, as he say he know God, oh, is he not the one that you sit down and say, let there be peace? Even if anybody do wrong, even if he say someone but na true say as they accuse him saying na they say na him be thief, they say na him betray na they can let's assume say na true. No be this man who suppose they talk say okay DOS enough. Let us bring Nnamdi out, or let us bring Biafra. Then we go know what we go do Simon Ekpa. But na him, okay, you now go fair. Na him the scatter. And the look for waiting in one do, he no even get. Now to go call people, do people, gather people, make they come make a blackmail Simon Ekpa. He say Oko Anyona, then a darkness go cover him. In case you don't understand the waiting Oko Anyona means. When that man, when you call prophet, he talk Oko Anyona, he mean many things. In job don't cast. Yawa don't gas. How can you be fighting someone at this point? You have tried to convince people to hurt him. Nobody hurts him. Listen, we cannot hurt Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa knows what he is doing. Even if you don't know what you are doing, we are not going to hurt you. We will only turn our back at you and let you go. We look for another place where we'll get the right thing. You people should stop all this, your behaviors. Whoever you are, I don't care. I don't want to know. Whether you are GOS or whether you are anybody, whether you are IPOB first blood or second blood or third blood, it is not important and will never be important. The only important thing, put your hands together. If I dey do something where you know like close your eye, pass. As long as I am not insulting Biafra, I am not insulting Nnamdi. As long as I'm not bringing bridges and the barrier, as I'm not breaking bridges and causing hurdles and slumps in this struggle. Anybody that is doing anything, that is fighting in any way, in any how, the person they fight to support this struggle, close your eyes if you don't like that person. I always say it, what anybody says is the most important thing, another person. Close your eyes on Simon. If you hurt him, when you see him, cover your eyes, open your ear, listen to what he said. If he says it wrong, tell him he no talk and well. In the allow people call him there, tell him say this one you talk I no agree. You go watch them from number 1 minute, 1 second to the 3 hours, 4 hours. You go watch all of them. You don't like it, but you will sit down and watch him. Who are you fooling? Who are you trying to confuse? Are you not the devil, the Satan himself? If you know you don't like what Simon Ekpa is doing, why should you go to his platform and listen to him? You will spend your 3 hours and listen to Simon Ekpa, and at the end, you will not even call in that program to tell him that he's doing the wrong thing. It's when you finish listening to him, you will start talking rubbish. You will go to your own and talk rubbish. You say you be prophet. Look at how you disgrace yourself. Look at how you have brought shame upon yourself. It is time we begin to know wetin our problem be. Wetin our problem be. Make we look for am. Make we get am. Make we destroy our problem. Not your brother. Destroy the problem and not your family member. How long are we going to remain in this center, going round, walking round and round, walking round and round one thing? At the end, we achieve nothing. At the end, we get nothing. Two greatest things are facing us. They are planning of taking Nnamdi to far north. Ijele is there ready, jumping, warming up to testify against him. You cannot see Ijele to condemn him. You cannot talk everything. You cannot create awareness so that the people of Biafra will know what Ijele is doing and know who Ijele is and know the real person that is Ijele. You think it's about Nnamdi? You think if they jail Nnamdi for 1 million years now, it is okay for you? You think it's not your business? Because of the little money you want to get from here and here. Most of you that hope and gain from your bloggers, from your blog, from your channel, from your pages, this is your opportunity to make money now. You will see truth and turn it upside down because you want to get the attention of people. Whatever you sow in this life, you must reap. I want you to know this, no matter who you are. If you come to this struggle to make money, that is why you want to tell people lies to come to your platform and listen. It's time for you to pack and go. It's time for you to pack and go. It is enough. Let us tell ourselves the truth. Stop lying to people. Stop deceiving people. If you don't have it against anybody, keep your mouth. Look at a man that, even myself, I respect him. Honestly, I don't watch his program, but I respect him for one thing. He said he's a prophet. But that respect now is gone. And I believe that is the same way everybody that had respect for him has thrown it away. Simon Ekpa has not said anything bad or anything negative against anybody that he don't have facts. Everything Simon Ekpa comes online and say, he brings the facts, he brings the proof to show you that he is not lying. But this master or one wicked, one Satan, one devil that wears white, he should be wearing black. That is the kind of thing he should be wearing. He should be dressing in black. Because he represents darkness and not light. He went and looked for everything. Now everybody, the other one, is it Ikenga or Okechukwu Nwa Chineka, be Biafran child? Yes. That one, or Ikenga, I don't know who it was that time, that went and looked for another man that said Simon Ekpa took him to where they do visa. They come, they do that one. Whoa, that one don't pass. Now, all you do is to sit down Inquire from people who have anything, any dealing, whoever had dealings with. Listen, if I am Simon, not I were. If Nnamdi be Simon, you see that visa, I go cancel am, I no go do am again, and you no go do anything. You with him had a business in his own law firm, not in Biafran business. You had the business and he did his part. You foolishly did not do your part. You stupidly, foolishly did not keep the appointment. Embassy gave you appointment to keep. You refused to keep the appointment. Now you are blaming it on Simon Ekpa. Just because of your hatred for him. When Yawa don gas now, Oko Anyuona, Ogo Oko Anyuona no now, you begin to call the beg. Someone Ekpa should withhold that visa, make you no come, make heaven break loose, make earth break into pieces. Someone Ekpa no release that visa for that man, make it do him worst. Make Master Prophet go bring him, make Master Prophet come carry you go. In short, Simon Ekpa should sue that Master Prophet and whoever brought that fake news. This is a paint of darkness. This is evil. You think you can destroy his career? Now you the same you people where use on a mouth to talk say Simon Ekpa no be lawyer. He no go school. He no even pass primary 6. Now waiting una talk. And now for Radio Biafra una talk am. You see why I don't like what these people are doing with this Radio Biafra. They use it to discuss rubbish and not what they should be discussing. And when I talk about them, somebody will say I'm talking about DOS. Why me and you know say the truth at the talk? I don't want to talk about them because this is not the problem. They are not even my problem. But they keep pushing people to begin to look and see them. They keep projecting themselves in the wrong mode, in the wrong side, in the bad side. How long do you people want to keep on like this? Where did Simon got it wrong? Nobody can come up and speak. Go to his program, call him, tell him, Simon Ekpa, when it is time to call, I want to hear somebody say, Simon Ekpa, you know doing well. This your program, you know they doing well. This your evidence against GOS, against Doctor Who, against Pastor Who, against Prophet Who. Now lie. Now waiting I want make you talk. Not going behind this. You can, listen, if you know you are bold, you have the truth in you, stand up and speak the truth. Don't hide. You see the way I come up yesterday and tell Dr. Nelly here face to face that what she is doing is not good. She should stop calling Biafra darkness and names. That is what a human being should do. You should stand up and defend what you believe in. Someone can feed you and feed your generation, whoever you are. And whoever is this that is calling, make sure you are calling to talk. I don't want argument. I'm not arguing. I don't have time to argue with anybody now. Let me add the number. It will be better if you call on WhatsApp. Just a moment.
Okay.
Yeah, I pinned the number. You're welcome, my brother. You're welcome online.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning from Kinshasa, Congo, Kinshasa.
Oh, wow. No be small thing, my brother. You try. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Thank you.
Yeah. My name is Chijoko Okoba.
Okoba.
Okoba. Yeah.
Okoba. From where? From Olo?
From Ebonyi State.
Ah, okay.
I'm
Okay.
from Israel. Precisely.
I didn't hear you.
But originally we're from old Bende. You know that we have created a new state here, Ebonyi State.
Allah.
Yeah. So
Who you are, whoever is doing this call, somebody is on the line. Please just give us some moment. Let the person finish his call, then we can hear you. Please call back. Just give him 3-5 minutes to finish. So, my brother, you're welcome online.
Yeah, welcome. It's not a problem. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to talk with you in your program. So,
thank you.
Here we are, is Congo, Kinshasa, Africa. So,
yeah.
The problem our people have is that the lack of what they are doing. They don't know what they are doing. Both DOS, some of them, from my own understanding of fighting for freedom. Freedom is not about gossiping. Freedom is about action and fighting. Are you hearing me?
Yeah, I'm hearing you now.
So,
stop.
In the war they are fighting, Simon Ekpa, I myself personally didn't accept that. But what they will be talking about is the way forward. How we're going to come out from the hand of Nigeria. To be honest with you, some people don't understand what we're going through outside Africa, outside that Nigeria.
No, they don't understand. They believe that once you go outside, once you are living outside Africa, you are okay, you are better, you are fine.
Let me show you this document you are seeing here. Is a tax of this country imposed us. We pay more than how many million francs over it. Convert it now is almost $3,000 and almost a million in plus. It's not the monthly. It's not the monthly tax. It's not the visa establishment. So when somebody like Simon Ekpa, and the visa application, there's a visa application I have with Pakistan man here. Many of the countries that want to come over here for diamond business and gold business. Those things they are saying for government to approve your visa. We are talking of Africa. We are talking of Europe, civilized country. That all documents have to be fixed. Normally, my wife is from Sweden, so I know how those things work. When somebody who is come out to tell you that Simon Ekpa duped them, they are lying. That is, they don't know the procedure of embassies and countries.
No, my brother, listen. In this case, even in this case, Simon Ekpa finished everything, got appointment with the man to go to embassy for the interview. The man did not go to the embassy.
And the embassy cannot wait for you. Who are you? You are just a person.
You see it? You see it?
And I overhear Simon Ekpa, it told him that he will be check your email every day. I followed Simon Ekpa program yesterday. I said, check your email every day. And this guy used because of his family problem, excuses. Why must his own that his own brother now take it as a duping system of 419 to the prophets? That guy, I don't watch him mainly. That guy called prophet. I don't believe in prophet in Facebook. So why?
Because now waiting their plan. They are now waiting their plan with that one. Now waiting their plan. Now waiting they want do. Now if they do. Now waiting they want.
So my brother, as you are reaching them on this platform, try to advise them. Let us focus our fights. Forget the error of this. But we know that like what you are saying about Ijere, that guy Ijere, you didn't see him harassing our mothers in the Abuja last court. Do you watch the picture?
Yes.
Did you watch the video? And people are not talking about that guy.
No, they don't talk about it. The bill is not important. Yeah?
This point you raised down, and that guy take his word that he will kill Nnamdi. I don't know if you are joining DSS.
He go kill himself. He go kill himself.
And Nigeria police standing up behind him and watching that guy, know that he's fooling himself. I don't know. He want to become. I don't know what he want to become. He don't have solution to help your people. But you are joining those that are killing your people to kill them. If you think Nnamdi is not doing it well, why not give him ideas on how to follow the program?
Make him do him himself. Make him do him. Make him do him the way he go do him. Make we see.
But he cannot do anything. That is what attitude of some of them who went outside and they don't know what is politics on the ground. That is the problem we're facing in this world. And Africa will never be. Africa government will be keep on suffering until this Biafra come. You see what happened in Ethiopia? Ethiopia conducted a referendum by themselves. I don't know why Nigeria is afraid of referendum. And our young youth,
they know they are able deeds.
We're even happy they are doing well. We're excited of the way our brothers are coming up, being educated, and coming out, and they're coming out to gossip. Are you coming out to gossip, or you come to make money, or you come to free your people? I didn't know if the same way the Nnamdi Azikiwe and the rest of them fought for us. I don't know if you see this way.
My brother, I tire.
Moneta told them in politically, because we have fought war before. We're not fighting war. In normal way, as the procedure our leader, Nnamdi put on the ground, is telling you people, look at the way you are going. My wife, when we watch the program, one diplomatic representative in this country, I showed them. I said that you people are not serious. Why this side you are fighting this way? Why not focus on the war you are fighting for and achieve good? But I don't know if the people give them advice or not. The white people are watching us. Those people that call the civilized world are watching us while we keep on fighting ourselves. I don't know why. So my brother,
that is wickedness. Wickedness. I call it wickedness.
We need to channel that energy. Because when they see Simon Ekpa, because what this guy, Tony somebody, that's one Tony guy, he have criticized that Simon Ekpa of what they call programming many things, blah, 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 blah. That one is not enough. And you advise Simon Ekpa also to focus what we are doing. Forget about that rubbish people. Criticism must be there.
They are distracting him, my brother. We are human beings. Me, if you watch me at the talk, say someone else can make you leave these people. But we are human beings. And then I'm waiting they want to be this. Maybe they distract them from waiting if they do. They are all wicked things.
If you watch a guy from South Africa, what's the name of that guy? Ikenga from Newi. Yeah, he started imagine the character and the way he removed his cap in that video. It was like, is it hoodlums we are dealing with? Is it this kind of people we are going to have? If that character, we're not going to have to be careful. It's better to also be in that dungeon called Nigeria where people dying there. If you get up to take your gun, kill anybody and go to it. And watch this guy, and there's a mistake child watching it from Ihal I made last time. He forget that Nigeria has also analysis and political diplomacies are watching them. He said like this, can you, he was talking to Simon Ekpa, can your mother come and naked on the Abuja that the people they send to God? Imagine, are we still playing the same politics of Nigeria, or we want to liberate our people from that attitude? Our mothers, look at deadly son. That guy said, if a volunteer forces is there, nobody should send you to go and die for nothing. If you can volunteer by yourself, that is voluntarily. When I was passing out to a Motamid airport, I just came in from Brazil. Somebody stopped me at Mother. I said, you can stop me. Why? What do you want? He asked me many questions. I told them, I have nothing. I'm free and I'm free to go. And meanwhile, why you're asking me this? Because I'm a Biafra and I'm using your. If you don't want to give me my passport, I'll leave it to go. I'll go and purchase another passport. The guy called me and gave me, he said, troublemaker, take your passport. But we don't know what we are facing for. I'm just giving you a clue what we are facing for. But people, instead of focusing what we are, and we are focusing on our, oh God. That's why this guy see opportunity to talk to people criticizing us, like Asare Dokubo and some of them who are confused. I was one time a commander at the what I call Masop movement. Idemri constituency. I was the one being commanding them in Idemri North. At Mpo. I was the one conducting them there. But these people didn't know what is calling freedom fighting. I didn't know, is it this way that Zulu and Nelson Mandela, who fought for apartheid for South Africa, is it this way? We know there will be a saboteurs. But those saboteurs, we know them, but not to attack ourselves. You know, those people who come out to fight for Biafra should focus on fighting for Biafra. What are we doing? Is it Biafra we're fighting for, or are we gossiping? This 2023 is coming. That 2023
no, they don't
now,
know that one. They know the year, say 2023. They know the year.
2023 is next year. We have no ground, and we keep on talking. If it's not the quality of Nnamdi and the people he provides for illegal team, I don't think we are going nowhere. Anambra State election have come and gone, and 2023 will come, and they will manipulate it. After they manipulate it, we keep on crying. Why? What are we doing? What are we doing? So please, if you are reaching them, try to tell them to have free mind and work what they are fighting for. Our mothers, our fathers, and people on the grave are waiting to hear a freedom song for our people, and it will be a most joyful thing on this planet Earth.
Thank you, my brother.
So my
God bless you.
I'm really support, and I always watching, and here we are. I'm telling you, if they think like those people who are saying, there's something I want to choke in your program. There are some people, some of the investors.
Well, it's hanging. It's hanging because it's network. Well, the network has taken him away. So I'm sorry I could not take your call because somebody was online. So now you can call and tell us what you think. Please, if you call, be when you call, no call, don't call to fight anybody, no call here to call people names. Call and be realistic, be human being, be responsible. So, like I was saying, my people, we have a lot of things in our hand. It is time now, when you see people talking rubbish, tell them, as you see me now talking, you believe what I am saying is rubbish. Call me, tell me I am talking rubbish, and give me reason why you tell me that I'm talking rubbish. Stop me. It's time we take the bulls by the horn. It's time we stop looking at people's faces that are evil and telling them that are angels. It is time we see bad and tell us that this is bad. It's time we see good and they say this is good. We cannot go anywhere. I know they are not fighting for freedom. I know. But it is time we ignore them or stop them. Where is Asare Dokobo? It don't come make noise finish. It don't tire, don't come out. You don't make noise. I tell you, I say, this one, na dead Asare Dokobo. The real Asare Dokobo, na the one where we know before, we fight for Niger Delta. That Asare Dokobo, where we say, if he come out to the talk, Nigerian government, they do like this. Na him be Asare Dokobo. This one now, where they come fight you, we say you go kill up Biafrans, we say you go kill Nnamdi Kanu, we say na you and me be problem. No be Asare Dokobo. Now something where they put inside another thing, just give a mouth to make it talk. Now him be that, no be Asare Dokobo. So I am still waiting and hoping that one day God will bring Asare Dokobo out from wherever he is hiding. No matter what he has eaten, he will vomit it and come out and become one person that will speak again, and people will listen to him and know that somebody has spoken. Ijele is there. I want to see everybody speak against Ijele. I want to see everybody speak against the evil that is going on in our country. Not about Simon Ekpa. It is now a personal thing. It's no longer a Biafran thing. It's now a personal thing. Everybody is doing war against Simon Ekpa. Everybody is fighting against Simon Ekpa. Everybody wants to kill Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa, now for Simon Ekpa keep Nnamdi for in house. I want to know. Is it Nnamdi is Nnamdi in Simon Ekpa's house? Or Nnamdi is he the one that owed the private jet they used to went to Kenya to bring him to Nigeria? Is it Simon Ekpa's private jet? No. Me and you know, say if I you get the private jet, whether they deny, whether I know they deny. If you know be own, you know the person will get up and you know about it. You know, say they won't go carry now, they cannot come back. Now all these people be our problem. No be someone ever be your problem. You will call yourself prophet. I don't call you prophet anymore. You are not a prophet. You know our problem. Instead of you to stand there as an oracle, as a mouthpiece from Chukwokika and speak things that will edify people and speak things that will motivate people, you are there killing the spirit of Biafrans. You are there destroying the visions of Biafrans. You are there destroying the legacy your in-law has built with his blood, with blood of Biafrans, with blood of our brothers, our sisters, our fathers. Some women today are widows. Some mothers today and fathers today are childless. Some family has fallen down because somebody has given their lives in line for this struggle. And you all are living this to fight Simon Ekpa. You must all be stupid and foolish. If Simon Ekpa exposes you that you are a thief, that you are using Biafra to steal, please, I will be glad. The day you will come here online and bring something evidence, look at Simon Ekpa has collected money from Nigerian government. Look at Simon Ekpa, he has collected this from that person. Give me proofs. If I don't come here to talk about it with you, you know I am a sabotage. I'm a sabotager. Yes, I promise you. But as long as you don't have it, if Simon Ekpa even if Simon Ekpa is fighting with his wife, I don't care. It has nothing to do with this Biafran restoration. If Simon Ekpa is a poor man, it has nothing to do with this struggle. If Simon Ekpa is a lawyer, is a beggar, is not doing anything, it has nothing to do with this. What we are doing, it has got nothing to do with it. The only thing that got to do with it is who is fighting and what are you fighting for and how are you fighting. How devoted are you? How committed are you? If you are in this struggle, you must be devoted 100%, I mean to say. Not being devoted 20%, not being devoted to one leg in Biafra, one leg in your private business that you don't even care what happens. If Biafra want to crash, let it crash. After all, I have my private business I'm doing. Biafra is not a business. This struggle will not be a business. And if you are seeing it as your business, it's time you stop seeing it as your business. You begin to see it as a freedom. We are fighting for freedom here. People has given many things. People has given anything they could, many things. People has given their life, their money, their wealth, their families. Those homes you see getting burnt, you think it's not sacrifices? People have sacrificed their home, their properties, and you are here looking and fighting Simon Ekpa. Dave, I did the exposition on Saturday. I showed you a video where Dave Umahi and all the governors and all the bishops gathered and they bring Ebubago to you. Today, Ebubago is killing, destroying, fighting us, and you are not seeing it. You are only seeing Simon Ekpa because of your personal hatred, because of your greed, because of your envy, because of your jealous of him. When are we going to wake up to reality? When? Which time? Which time? We don't go fit make anything out of these things we are doing now. Make una leave Simon Ekpa. Make una know the fight Simon Ekpa. Make una let Simon Ekpa be. Then we can make something out. I am waiting for you to call. Call and tell me that what that man did is the right thing he should do. Going to look for everything anyhow by enemies to make sure you condemn Simon Ekpa. Listen, we are not fools. We know what we are doing. We are Biafrans. We are wise. We are not in dark. We see with our own eyes. We have our minds of understanding. We know when Simon Ekpa will do the wrong thing. Listen, let me tell you, for your information, you that say you are a prophet, even if Simon Ekpa na 419, he dupe you everything, even dupe you that your title where you call prophet, we will still believe Simon Ekpa because he has not duped Biafra. He has not deceived Biafra. What we need is truth in this struggle. Even if you carry gun outside this struggle, as long as you come inside this struggle, you lay down your arms and you are in peace with this struggle. You are in truth, leading in this struggle. We will follow you. I used to say it is not about your person. It is not about your yesterday. Everybody one time or the other was in a wrong place. But you have to walk through the wrong place to get into the right place. Nnamdi Kanu once stood up and fought for one Nigeria. Simon Ekpa once stood up and fight for one Nigeria. I once said that anybody that is fighting for Biafra is wasting their time because Biafra is useless thing that will never come. It's a dream that will never come true. But today, here I am. Everybody, one time or the other, had a place you have to cross to get to the place you are going to. Some have to cross bridges, some have to jump walls and jump fells. But what matters is that you go to the place you are going to. It is time we begin to count our teeth with our tongues. Because we have tried to count with our fingers so many times and we could not get the right numbers. Count with your tongues now. Count with your tongue now. It's time to count your tongues. Count your teeth with your tongue. We must not remain in this foolishness. We must not remain in this wickedness. It's time we move on. Anywhere you see somebody speaking evil, tell the person you are speaking evil. Don't even call the person idiot. Don't even call the person a foolish man. Don't even call him any name. Just tell him what he is doing straight ahead. Tell him, brother, you are talking evil. You are talking out of envy. You are talking out of jealous. And leave him and move on. Don't stay there and waste your time with him. It's because we begin to give too much attention to things that are useless. That is why the useless things will begin to think that they are important. When you make the useless things see themselves as useless things, they will know that they are not important. Believe me. It's because people are clapping for that man that says he's a prophet. That is why he will go to any length to get people, to frame people up, to do anything to blackmail Simon Ekpa. Now he is doing the wickedness he want to do against Simon Ekpa. Now he is putting another person that don't know about it in danger. Somebody that is trying to come over to Switzerland with working permit, with housing. Oh my goodness. 800 euro for visa. I need that more. I get who I want to have for. I need that visa. I need that contact. It's very cheap. Very cheap. A working permit visa for 800 naira, 800,000. 800 euro, I mean to say. When people will pay 5 million naira just to get a visa and they will still lose it, they don't jump into Laguno. Now somebody collect 800 euro. 800 euro, how much it be? Maybe about 500,000, Abi. Whether it is yourself, I don't know. It depends as money rise and as money fall. Now you just go, they put somebody. You see what we do sometimes? We foolishly put people into trouble because of our foolishness, because of the evil we have in our mind. What are you saying? Who will go to you will go to jail? You must go to jail with Simon. Why you no call? Tell me why I go to jail with Simon Ekpa. If you no fit call, come up for my platform. I beg you, God, use your hand, come out. Because if you make this kind of statement again, I go lay curse on you. And I promise you, before 1 year go end, you go see how happen. I no do you anything. My hands are clean. But if you push me, I will curse you. So you better move waka, come out here. No call here. If you no fit call and tell me waiting Simon Ekpa do and waiting me I do, we go make me go to jail. But as long as you no get them to talk, go away from here. Or you better still listen and keep quiet. If you don't know what to comment, remain quiet, please. We will begin by sitting at home. If you sit at home on Monday, sit at home on Sunday, it is a great strategy to start with. Strategy, Nigeria always understand the violent language. Anything that we do now is not order from Maze Nnamdi Kanu. We need something that we can do that will affect Nigeria. That is the reason why. That is why you have to encourage people to sit at home. That is why when you see a video that is good, you share it with other people. Share it so let people see it. That is why you must share video to make people know that they will sit at home. Sit at home on Sunday. Sit at home on Monday. Anybody that will tell you that sit at home is not working is lying. Believe me. Anybody that is telling you sit at home is not working, is not having any effect, the person don't know what he or she is doing. The person is lying. The person is deceiving you. Sitting at home works great deal. Works greater deal than you think. You see that sit at home? Go and sit at home on Sunday. Don't talk am before. Any church we know they condemn the killings of Ebubako. We know they condemn waiting your governors they do. We know condemn that video. I show you the video. You no go say you don't see them. I show you the video where all your pastors, reverend fathers, bishops, cardinals, all of them gathered within governors, all the governors all the senators, all the traditional rulers, all the Ohaneze and Igbo, they gathered to agree that they will bring a Bible to come and start killing people and burning their houses. The video is in this my platform, is in this my Facebook. Go and look for it. You will see that was the only video I did on Saturday. You will see it there. Then when you finish watching it, you will come back and tell me why you should not sit at home on Sunday. When you finish watching it, you go come back and tell me, say, all this video na lie be. Listen, if I show you picture, photo, if he say na me do the Photoshop, but video, I no fit do the Photoshop for video. Nobody fit do that one, na lie. If you do it for one video, one person dey inside, but no be video where many people dey inside. How many you want change? You go change all the governor said. The only governor wey no gree join them, wey say you no join them, nobody from his state join them. Na Anambra State governor, you no gree join them. You know they there. Outside him, all of them join together, agree. And they plus that your mighty blessing, holy Eyinaya Baribe, they in their midst. You follow them. That is why you will sit at home until your pastor begin to talk from the church that what you call it, the governors are doing evil thing, that the government is doing evil thing, that what do you call their name, Bubago is doing evil thing. If not, tell the pastor, say you know there for that church again. Now you they go church. Who be church? Now you be the church. No be the building. If you no go, me I no go, my father no go, your mama no go, our families no go. That building where you see, it go become empty. That means it is no longer a church, but a building. Now when you go, I go, all of us gather go, it go become a church. That is the only way you can defend the Nnamdi Kanu for now. That is the only thing you can do. And that the most important thing again you can do, support ESN. You know the account. Go and pay anything you can pay into the account. Even if it is €5, pay into the account. It will help to keep the security outfit. Sit at home. Tell people to sit at home. Encourage everybody. If you have people in Nigeria, in Biafra land, encourage them to sit at home. If you know the people in Lagos, in anywhere in Nigeria, Abuja, begin to encourage them to sit at home. It's time we begin to know that this sit at home will only work when we agree that it will work. We cannot only be proving that we are Biafrans only in Biafra land. It's time we begin to identify with what is happening to us everywhere we are. If we are in Lagos, just imagine a little bit that on like today that is Monday, you go to Lagos, every Biafran shop is locked. Lagos will feel it. Believe me. Do you know how much the Lagos state will lose? When you close Balogu, you close the Dumota, you close Aspanda, Trade Fair, Ladepo, the other one in Ikeja, Computer, all these places, who be them? Biafrans. All the business in Lagos, Biafrans, both street and the inside market. Outside market, inside market, they are Biafrans. So just imagine that we will all agree and they shut down everywhere. That is when you will know that the power of this nation is in your hand. We have the power of this nation in our hand, and we don't know. Abuja, who are the businessmen there? We, me and you. Sokoto, the same way, Biafrans. Kaduna, me and you, Biafrans. Everywhere in that nation, now me and you be the business people. Now we hold the business. So when we decide that we need this Biafra, we will get it. It's not by fighting Nnamdi. This is the kind of thing we should be encouraging each other to do. This is the kind of thing we should be encouraging every Biafran anywhere they are. Share the video, let them hear that this is not the matter of fighting in Biafra land alone. This is not a matter of sitting at home in Biafra land alone. It is a matter of sitting at home in Lagos, in Abuja, in Kaduna, in Kano, in anywhere in that zone, under that map, within that map you call Nigeria. It's time we begin to take our moves. If every Biafran everywhere will sit at home the same time in that zoological Nigeria you call, they will know that we are serious. They are taking us for granted, because when we are talking about sit at home, from Biafran, enter Biafra, voice of Biafra radio, you will hear sit at home. From Radio Biafra, you will hear don't sit at home. You will hear again, let us organize economic sanction. You will hear again from another people, no, don't do that. This is our problem, because we are wickedly proud. We are proudly wicked, because you want make it be you. Why it go be Simon Ekpa where people go here? Why they no hear you? Therefore, I go make sure say everything where Simon Ekpa do, I go destroy him. You forgot that Simon Ekpa is not fighting for his business. He is not fighting for Ekpa and the Ekpa firm. He is not fighting for Ekpa family. He is fighting for Biafra. I've told us so many times that we should keep sentiment outside this. We should keep our beliefs and differences outside this. Let us fight for this Biafra. Let Biafra come. As they do in every other place, when they fight for freedom, when freedom come, if say me, I commit treason. You say when they fight the war, me, I they use them, they make money, I they go kill people, I they go betray people. Now when they finish get Biafra, they go bring me to book, they go take me to court. God go judge me. So make una leave Simon Ekpa. If Simon Ekpa be thief, if say Simon Ekpa they use this Biafra do business, make una leave am, make it do am, make Biafra come. When Biafra come, una go come bring am before court to say Simon Ekpa na him eat Biafra fund. Then we go know. God go deal with them. But if not, let him be. Stop distracting. Stop all these your distractions. We don't hear and we don't tire. I beg every one of us, make we try know wetin we dey do. Make we try move on now. Make we try move on now. Make we try move on now. It's time we move on. It's time you call people in Nigeria. It's time we begin to organize sitting at home. It's time we organize sit at home anywhere we are. In Biafra land, anywhere you are, it's time to sit at home. Anywhere. In Abuja, we must sit at home. In Lagos, we must sit at home. We need Biafra. It's not just enough that we need Nnamdi. For your own information, it's not only Nnamdi that is in detention. It's not only Nnamdi that is suffering in pain, in sorrow in their dungeon. There are thousands of them, thousands of Biafrans that are there suffering. For those of you that think that this is about Nnamdi, I am sorry for you. It's not about Nnamdi. It's about every Biafran that has been illegally taken away. It's about those little girls that has been taken away and used as slaves, sexual slaves, in police custody. There was one little girl taken away, a 17-year-old girl, Gloria Okol, that was taken away. And when she was taken away, they began to molest her. The police in Tiger Base or where they will use her as sex slave. Anybody that wants sex, they go carry and go sex. Anybody that want wash cloth, he go carry and he go wash cloth. Anybody that want cook, they go carry and he go cook. When people find out and begin to look for her, they carry them. Pia, go whether na Sokoto they carry the girl, go keep. Who know what in the girl they go through now? Imagine saying na your sister. Imagine saying na your daughter. How you go feel? That is why I am telling us that this is not about anybody. It is about us. Tomorrow you fit fall. Tomorrow your sister fit fall. Tomorrow I fit fall. That is why I am crying. Nigeria has become a place that you cannot go and walk in the streets free. Our Biafran land has become a place that they don't want to see any young man. They don't want to see you talk. They don't want to see you speak. They don't want to see you say anything. And you are here comfortably thinking you are fighting for Nnamdi Kanu. For those of you that think you are fighting for Nnamdi Kanu, I am sorry. You don't know what you are doing. Welcome online, my brother.
Hello, sir.
Hello, welcome, my dear.
Yeah. God bless you.
Thank you.
Yeah. I've been listening to you for a while, but I cut off because I received some calls. I have to come back.
Yeah.
I was hearing you talking about EJ testifying against Maz that the paper has been approved, according to what I saw on social media.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. And you mentioned also about people that are attacking Simon Ekpa.
Yes.
And you sounding as if you are saying that you should come and make peace. But it's just like as if you are no longer in this struggle.
No,
Is there anyone?
Listen, I'm not calling anybody for peace. I'm telling them to mind what they should mind. They should fight and leave Simon Ekpa alone. If you feel Simon Ekpa, they do waiting, you know, like, leave them in this battle now. Maybe they do as I do my own. Even if I don't agree with Simon Ekpa, I go leave and make they do the way I believe. But make we know them fight anybody. Mind your own.
I hear what you said. It's just like you are telling people, because you are telling federal government to stop they stop attacking Nnamdi Kanu, or just trying to tell them that to stop preventing what Nnamdi Kanu is being fighting for. These people have saved their conscience. I mean, after all this exposition that Simon made, and with heavy evidence, super evidence, not super evidence, and the same people that he testify against, you are sure, and you are seeing what they are doing, that they doesn't want Nnamdi to come out, and they are good. They doesn't want this agitation to continue. They want to bury it. And you are now start telling people, oh, you should mind your business. What they have made up their minds, because there is difference between you don't know, you are doing it out of ignorance. Understand? And you don't know. Just because many was thinking that what Simon Ekpa was doing is wrong, but he's not respecting the US, he's not following the rules and regulation. But they don't know that he has shown a lot of things going wrong, until you begin to expose all those hidden things that the DOS, the leadership are doing. Yeah. And with evidence, coupled with the one that the DOS are doing as well, it's open, they're counsel, they do this one, they lie, but they're just exposing themselves. And he came up with evidence to show us, look at why they are, why these people are deviating. They have collected money, a lot of things have gone inside, which many people don't know, and now he exposed it. And you still want those people to turn back and stop fighting Simon Ekpa. They have assigned, they have eaten that forbidden food. I mean, majority of them, only few now is ignorant. Majority of them you are seeing attacking. Like some people will come on your Facebook and insult you. You start lamenting. Those people are agents of DOS. They have seen all those things. Probably it's easier send them to send those messages. It could be that one in South Africa that are telling fake week. It could be Patrick. Because why I'm mentioning their name, everything is exposed that they are collecting their money. It is open now.
They fear them. They don't give you money to buy data.
Yeah, these people are the one that's coming to your program to write rubbish. Don't think that it's just normal person that doesn't know what to do. They deliberately.
All of them, they feed the
yes,
because now fake them.
Yes, Yes, when you want to identify them, just mention one name. If you call Àťtàćkin or you call Ikenga, you call Idele, mention those groups because they are working. It's open, it's obvious. Don't if you want to do this, you come up or you stop writing this. They are bow and sitting there for building food. They will attack you because that's how when Mazi was with us after a year. People attack him when you say those people are agents of Fulani, agents of federal government. Then some people will call and attack him. Despite they have seen all the truth, they have been bought over. Stop stressing yourself. When you see them at the just analyze their issue as people that are Àťtàćkin, their group. Just analyze it. I know you are Àťtàćkin group. Either Àťtàćkin or Ikenga. Or just that's how we'll analyze them. Not stop painting them as if they don't know what they are doing. Now it is obvious. It has been open that these people are deliberately want Nnamdi to end up there, and let us stop this agitation. So address them the way they are coming with their agent.
Yeah.
That's how I'm just suggesting, not that I'm advising or commanding.
No, my brother. That is why I will always tell you, when you have anything to tell me. I am open to correction. Do you understand me? I know you hear my own lobby radio. Radio Biafra supposed to be a place, as Nnamdi made it before, a place of a home for everybody. But they have turned it now a home for some wickedness.
No, it comes to Radio Nigeria. Don't mention it in this current moment now. Radio Nigeria, current moment.
Yes.
Except when Mazi come back, they will now do some sacrifice, remove all those evil lights, the thing that they used to India at Radio Nigeria and replace Radio Biafra. It's no longer Radio Biafra. Nobody's going there again. Only people that their group and people that are still ignorant, only few people. So I've been seeing all those things. Then somebody will come and write something to distract you. That person is Ijele, or either it's Ukoro Patrick Ikem, or the other girl, the one that control it. That's their group. They're deliberately doing it because they know that what they're doing is useful. Understand? You just see sometimes the same person will post like 3 or 4 or 5. Understand? Just because they don't have the money they gave them only just to attack people that are doing the real job.
Yes.
Yes. Understand? Until they will not stop. If they stop, know that we are not going to win the battle. You must have an opposition. You will not win the battle. If you are expecting them to stop sending you bad message, they are getting it on. They will increase more so that you will fight the battle and defeat them. Know that because what they are pursuing is very expensive.
Yeah.
I think the most expensive freedom that have ever existed in planet Earth is Biafran freedom. Even Israelites didn't go to this extent. Why blood brother is the one? Your blood brother is the one that teaching you. It's not just longer outsider. The major problem we have now is the blood relationship, the one that close to you. Understand? Yeah. Just look at the one you mentioned, your brother, the one he's the head of director. You say someone because when you make that program, I know that you don't just make common ordinary program. You say that because before you have that it's from your place.
Yeah.
It's from your place that you went to a village. Before you said it on air, I know that you have somehow have solid evidence. Someone, and now finally it has been exposed.
Yeah.
Blood brother is killing blood brother.
You are one of them that called me that the time they blocked me.
Yes, I called you. Yes, no, I was saying maybe what you're saying is not really, but I know that you don't just bring out something that you don't just bring it out in that way. Understand? Because you have conscience. But finally, it has ended up. They are now hiding. They don't have nothing to say. That's like that one that called Master Prophet. They have finished all the whole job. You know that he has failed.
Yeah, you hear what did he talk now?
This man is a fraud.
You hear what did he talk? You hear what did he talk when he said Okwanyona? You know what did Okwanyona mean? My job don't cast. My job.
You know, there was a time I called you. I always called you. I tell you one thing, these people that are the left hand, one day they won't know when they make a very big mistake because I've been following Master Prophet somehow. There was a comment he made the other day that why Chief Edozie, why all these problems escalate because it's gradual process. The problem escalate. He said They will complain to Chike. He will not attend to them until the problem becomes big. He don't know when he said it. Then he will now start to say something. Because the man is they took him all around. The place is too hot for him. He don't have option other than when he see people that are involved collecting bribe, he decided to give up. Probably at the beginning, his heart, his hand declare, I'm not supporting him anymore, I'm not supporting him. But at the stage, at a certain stage, he did not change completely. So that master prophet always says something, he wouldn't know when he would say it. This is why he said that that's why he start telling these people that now do God. What does documents have to do with our struggle?
No.
You know, excuse me, you know, in those days when we are in school, primary school, when you are fighting your fellow guy, understand, you find out that he's defeating you. The last thing you do, you just run away and just take him and pour him. That's not because you're losing the battle. Every time you see that man, that one they call bedbug, now, no, you know, people are listening to you. There's one thing I want to say. Now, they say that the method of this battle has changed. Yeah. And to the autopilot level. They're now using it and saying that they're the one that's doing it. If you see what he's waiting, what he's totally, he just wants, he's now just taking the glory. That if you see what he's saying, you know that this man is completely snared. The glory of autopilot now doesn't directly want to take it. He thinks that you are not smart.
Make him take her. We know send them. If you want claim, say make him write in name, say na him be someone else, but now you know important. But waiting at the tell them, make they know they bring all these useless distractions. Because when they bring them, someone else go take time, where you go take do another thing, go to address them. I don't know what they done. You see, say that they purposely do them to stop someone else from the right thing where you go do, make you attend to them.
Exactly.
Yeah? Somebody, a man where don't get children, get wife, go sit down. What is the plan? He go make calls in the morning, go begin the make calls. You know anything, you know person when don't get any business with someone else. If you don't fine. When you get one, you go begin the strategy. Okay, that your thing where you do with someone else. Maybe we'll turn them upside down, maybe we'll come bring them, say, now so it be. Lies. Yeah.
When I hear Bible say the heart of a man continuously filled with evil, he's just referring to DOS and their group, Nigerian people, black people. They are, as they're sleeping now, all their plan, they know that this man is innocent. They are start finding every need, making calls, they leave their job. What can we do to this man to pull him down? But the good side of it, the more you are trying to pull him down, the more he's standing. Exactly what is happening in the life of man and Nnamdi. The more you want to use something against him, that thing will be a purpose to him. You say that this is hand of God. I'm telling you, this is hand of God. In as much as he never changed, he never deviated, he's standing on the truth. Anything you raise up against him, it may be anyhow you bring it and compile your evidence. The thing will lift him up more and more. That's what I'm seeing. But now they never understand it's a spiritual battle. The man is stressed for now. That is why everything is working in his favor.
Now someone else go kill them finish. Someone else matter, he don't kill them already. Now true, he don't kill them. He don't they kill them. They don't they go down. All of them don't they go down one by. Even Chinas and where the thunder threat everywhere. You know they even talk again. You know they talk again.
Yes. You know, the spirit of Biafra is against him and their group because he's the architect of this problem. He is the head of that. He is the foundation. And two, I don't know. People have mind though. That's why I say, if I'm will go to heaven. They see their conscience. They are still doing it. They see their conscience. Continue. He never. If you see what he's waiting, you know that this man has decided. He just. But I understand. Once you eat that forbidden food, you stand at the truth before you come and eat forbidden food. No second chance for you. They will never do that. Keep watching. They will no second. When someone ever say you are not going to give them chance again, you need the repent.
Yeah.
They cannot repent.
No. Let them carry their wahala. They go. No need them. They are corruptible things.
No, they can never. If I hear some people say if they change, we will accept them. They are not going to change. Look at what was written. He told this one today. Tomorrow will come the other one. It's just that spirit of Biafra is tormenting everybody that eats forbidden food. So, what is it called? That pig. All of them. Once with that, as just like someone who just decided to go and serve Nigerian government and become a politician.
Yeah.
When you're talking about freedom, it's just like you hate freedom. Anything that will bring freedom, because you know that freedom will work against you because of you are keeping the forbidden food. So thank you. Let me give other time to talk.
Yeah, thank you, my brother. God bless you for your contributions. Thank you.
God bless you. God bless you.
So, my brothers, like you will say, I don't know who you the call stupid person. I say me, I know like all these things. Will not they do? No come here, they call me stupid, or I don't know who you they call stupid anywhere. You say stupid set of people that cannot communicate with your local language. Let me tell you something you don't know. Waiting be his name. KC Oyiro. KC Oyiro or Oyiro. Let me tell you something you don't know. There is no language today that the Funanis don't hear. Why? Listen, before I used to speak Igbo, initially I was starting with Igbo, but people were saying that they don't hear me. There are people from coastal regions that could not understand what I'm saying. So I begin the blow broken. That is why they always see me the blow broken. Because I believe say that broken, everybody go fit understand them. I know them for grammar. Waiting would they look for? No beside grammar a day. Grammar no be our language. So whether you like it or you no like it, I go there talk where everybody go hear me. This your Igbo language where you believe say na you want you talk. Make Funani no hear you. No be Funani people be emia for where. No be Funani be emia for no. No be Funani be emia for Aba. They get their kingdom for inside your communities. There are things we must know and we must understand, that language is no longer a barrier to them. They speak your language more than you, that is Igbo man. They have intermarried with you for a long time ago. When I was in Owerri in 90s, 99, yeah, 1999, 2000, I was in Owerri, in Douglas. I know of that Amawasa there. They speak Igbo. There is other place, Amawasa. I've forgotten what they call that. The other one, I don't know again. I've forgotten. No, that one now for Calabar. The Amawasa in Calabar, they get Amawasa. There, they have their community. And amongst them, they get their emir, their king. And most of these people, where they go, they want to know everything about you. They will learn your tradition. They will learn your everything. They go marry your people. So you go think, say, they open with you. Yeah. They won't marry your people. This will tell you that originally, Funanis no degree marry, especially Christians. Whether not to marry them or for them to marry you, they no degree. But when you see, say they don't come your land, they come, they occupy. Waiting they want, they go begin to marry your children, go to allow their children, make they marry your own children. Why? Because they want to occupy. They have come to occupy. When Nnamdi they tell you, say, these people are in your midst, they are trying to take over your land. You think, say, how they want to do them. It don't take when they begin to plan and they do them little by little. We no understand them. So, speaking grammar, you know, go solve the problem. The problem now, action. Like I was saying, it's time for we Biafrans, anywhere we are, under the umbrella, under the name Nigeria, anywhere you are within that circle of Nigeria. It's time we begin to organize ourselves to join this sit at home on Sunday, join this sit at home on Monday, join this sit at home any day Nnamdi Kanu is going to court. Let us tell the people of this country that we hold this nation. I've said it before and I am saying it again. Biafrans has the commercial in their hands in Nigeria. If you want to prove me wrong, let us join in this campaign that every Biafran anywhere in Lagos, in Kaduna, Abuja, Sokoto, Katsina, Maiduguri even, Potiskum, let them close down on Monday. Just leave Sunday alone. Just only on Monday, let them close down. You will see that the whole town will be ghost. The whole town will be ghost town. There will not be any movement because we Biafrans are the owners and the head and the controller of every commercial anywhere in that country. This is why all of us make we join hands together fight. Like I tell you before, we know the fight and for Nnamdi Kanu. With the fight and for the blood of our family, we don't speak for ground. If you believe, say no be your brother die, no be your sister die, you know concern you. Make we fight and for our generation. You go believe, say maybe you don't come up for Nigeria now, waiting concern you. After all, your mama no dey there, your papa no dey there. Let me tell you something. Anywhere you are in this world, in the Western world, in Europe, in America, in Canada, let me tell you something. Maybe you are in Canada today as a bus driver, earning good money. Maybe you are in America today doing auxiliary job, earning good money. Maybe you are in Europe doing fabrica job, earning good money. And did you know the shocking thing? Most of you that are washing toilets and cleaning the streets and doing fabrica job, loading carton and loading containers and loading cars and loading vehicles and loading buses in companies, you are graduates. Some of you are accountants. Some of you are engineers. Some of you did biochemistry in schools. Some of you are lawyers. Have you ever imagined that you will have Biafra and you that is a lawyer will have your law firm in Biafra? Have you imagined that you that did petrochemical engineering will have a good job in Biafra? Will you come to Europe and start working as a fabrica person, sweeping the street, washing toilets? Do you think you will be working in restaurants, serving people, cooking food for people? After your graduates, after your graduation, after 5 years, 7 years, 10 years in school, you think it's the right thing? Imagine that you go home, even if you decide that you are going to do a menial job to live, think about living in Biafra and doing it. I used to tell us to think of Libya during the Gaddafi. Imagine that Libya, where no Libyan want to live outside Libya, where no Libyan want to travel out even for holidays. They have everything they need inside Libya. They live like kings in their homes. They have their homes, even if you cannot afford a home. The government will build low-cost houses and they will still pay you salary and deduct the money from your salary, whether you are working, whether you are not working. Where the government sees it as their responsibility to convince you to go to school. You have hospitals, you have water, you have electricity, you have good road. Have you thought of it? Or the land you are living in diaspora, do you forbid having it in your father's house? Do you know how many people die every day for the sake they have just a headache and they could not afford common Panadol? I know, sir, as I thought this one now, your mind is going to say Panadol no cost and everybody feel buy them. No, The real good Panadol that will stop your headache cost. And the poor man in Nigeria could not afford it. Some people, many, 80% cannot afford 5,000 naira to buy a packet of Panadol. The original Panadol that will stop your headache, they will end up, give me 5 naira own. They go count and give you. You go drink 100 tablets of Panadol. You no go fit do anything for your body. Finally, you go here say you don't sleep, you no wake up. Waiting to him now. Nothing. No. He just say yesterday they get small headache. He go buy medicine, drink, go sleep. This morning we surprised say he don't die. He no wake up again. Now because he no drink better medicine. So imagine that truck pusher go pushing truck finish, enter good house. If you push truck finish, you go get good pay for pushing truck. You go enter house, switch on your light, open tap, fetch water, drink am. Now bad thing, we forbid them. Wetin go do us if we get this life like this? Wetin go do us if we come out, you know well, or once in a year or once in 6 months, you go hospital, tell doctor say, I want to do general checkup. Doctor go shake you, you no go pay because already government don't pay for you in advance. We go die if we do am. Heaven go fall on us if our country dey like that. All these are what we are asking for. We are not just asking for empty Biafra. We are not just asking for Biafra because we want to bear a new name. We are not just demanding for Biafra because we are tired of bearing the name Nigeria. No, because we are tired of the system. It's not because they held Nnamdi Kanu. It's not because we want to do what Nnamdi Kanu loves. It's not because we want to please anybody. It's just because we need change. Everlasting change. Nnamdi Kanu was, whenever I remember it, it gives me, it puts smiles on my face and makes me gladdens my heart. He said that this Biafra is paradise on earth. Imagine living in paradise on earth. If you think I'm lying, ask people that were in Libya, people that has traveled to Libya before they killed Gaddafi. People that, when did they kill Libya, Gaddafi? I think they killed Gaddafi, I think 2010 or 2011, I don't know again, or 2012. And I think 2011, 2012, between 10, 11, 12, they killed him. I'm not sure again. Okay, let's say people that were living in Libya, they're all over. I just typed for internet how Libya be for 2008. Just 2008, way close to 2010, 2 years before. Ask how Libya be for 2000, from year 2000 at least, make we no go too far. From year 2000, it never far. Ask yourself how Libya be. Libya was the paradise on earth in Africa. The only country in Africa that the Westerners envied. The only country in Africa that the Westerners don't want to see, because that country was far better than their country, where their citizens don't suffer, where their citizens don't cry, where they have hospital, where they have light, where they have water, where they are begged to go to school, where they are paid salary, whether you work, whether you don't work. There is no story of unemployment. Where there is never a story of unemployment, the only story is good news. Then you imagine what you will have in Biafra now that we are more wise, now that we gotten what something more than what Libya, Gaddafi had. For those of you who said Gaddafi is a wicked man, Gaddafi is evil, Gaddafi is a thief, let me tell you, I value a thief that will steal and give me life than a thief that will steal and kill me on top. I will value the criminal that come to my house and they take away what I have and live my life for me. But that criminal that will come to my house and steal what belongs to me and still kill me and kill my family before my own eyes, he is the wicked one. So it is not important how much Gaddafi has stolen. It is not important what he has stolen. The important thing is, what did Gaddafi do? And then now that they have gathered to destroy Libya, they told you Gaddafi is the problem. They have killed Gaddafi. How is Libya now? And for you to see how wicked these people are, before they do anything, they must make sure that they make your land a desert. If Biafrans want to war, now as I am talking to you, if Nnamdi Kanu today say, you go meet Britain, or you go meet America, or you go meet Russia or China, tell them, say, I want make I start war with Nigeria, you go see with the speed, they go support you. They go support you. You go see Britain go tell you, say, now we first meeting Nnamdi Kanu, now we first talk with them. America go say no, but now they won't fight who won't be your friend now, because you are talking of war. Why? Because they will give you ammunition to kill everybody and destroy your land. Why? They will be making your oil. Do you see our problem? And this is what Ojukwu rejected. And this is something Nnamdi Kanu rejected. That is why they don't want you to have Biafra. That is why they are not talking about Biafra. That is why you see them in the parliament, in everywhere UN. They don't want to discuss Biafra because they don't have anything to gain from Biafra. But as long as you make it a war, they will have it to discuss all over. You will see it in UN every minute, emergency meeting, in peace talk, in this one, in this one. Why? They are busy sucking your oil. And the war will continue, who knows, for decades. Even at the end of the war, they will still be sucking your oil. Because they will tell you that the ammunitions they gave to you, you have not finished paying. And you will pay with all your life. So your oil, your blessings, your inheritance will become automatically their own. And this is what Nnamdi Kanu have rejected. This is what Ojukwu has rejected. This is why they hate you. This is why they don't like you. This is why they despise you. This is why it's not that they don't see Biafra. It's not that they don't see the killings in Biafra land. It's not that they don't know what Nigerian government is doing. It's just because they want you to come to them and tell them, come help us fight Nigeria, so that they will be making your oil, sucking your oil and fighting for you. And guess the kind of fight they will be fighting for you. They will be killing you. They will be destroying your land. They will be bombing your land to make sure that even after the war, you will have nothing to start with. Then they will have their military bases in your land. They will have American air base. They will have American military base in Biafra land. You will have Russian military base in Biafra land. You will have British military base in Biafra land. You will have France in Biafra land. And all of them there are fighting for nothing but the oil that they are taking to their country. And your land will remain like a desert for decades. While you live in Basha, they will suck your oil. I am saying this because I want you to know why you should take this battle into your hand, why you should take it to another level. If you are a Biafran anywhere in this world, I want you to hear me out. I want you to know that it's time you begin to convince people to sit at home on Monday, not only in Biafran land. Everybody that is a Biafran in Nigeria, Anywhere you are, I want you to know. Your market union, I want you to know. I am calling on every broadcaster, whether you are my enemy, whether you are my friend, to know that this time we have to take this to another level. It's time to move to another level. You see, man, this is the kind of thing you should be telling people, not telling us about Idu or Biafra. We need freedom, not name. Name is not our problem. I am calling all of you Melchizedek. I don't know why I'm always calling you Melchizedek, because you have something to offer, and now you have sold your conscience to the people that don't have anything to offer, and you begin to dwell amongst them. Melchizedek, it's time for you to wake up from amongst them and give what God gave you to give out. It's time to come out. Let us call every market anywhere in that land, anywhere in Nigeria, all the market unions in Lagos, for any form of it, from Alaba to anywhere, in Lagos State, in Abia State, in Lagos State, in Abuja, in Kaduna, every state in Nigeria. It's time we begin to sit at home with the people of Biafra land. As long as you be Biafra anywhere, we should sit at home in solidarity with our freedom fighting, in solidarity with the free release, with unconditional release of Mazen Nnamdi and every Biafran they have taken away unlawfully. It's time we begin to tell them that we have something we can do, and the only thing we can do is to fight, and we must fight. We must fight. We should wake up now. It's time to wake up. It's time to wake up. It's time to wake up. I beg everybody, let us wake up now. I am begging us all, let us all wake up now, for we have been in this point of no glory, nothing. We have been here for so long, and we have gotten nothing. We have insulted Simon Ekpa. We have forced Simon Ekpa. We have tried to blackmail Simon Ekpa. It don't do. Make we leave him, because we know if he get anything inside. Simon Ekpa big pass all of you where they try kill him. Una no go fit kill him. Una no go fit blackmail him. Because now who you go blackmail, now who you get reasons to blackmail. Who you go blackmail, now who be evil person. You go get skeleton for in cupboard. But when somebody's cupboard they open, you know, even waiting in one height for open cupboard. Nothing. May una leave them. I know the beg on the advice on, because time don't reach where everybody go ignore. If na me be Simon, if na for me, Simon Ekpa go. If na me be Simon Ekpa, I for don't put una for limbo. Get waiting be limbo. Put una for forgotten situation. For one corner where they forget, they know they open am una go there. If una back like Chihuahua, you know waiting be Chihuahua. You know what in Chihuahua? Those ugly small dogs. The back, big dog. You see when small dog the back, they go the back. Big dog go look up like this. You go shaking head, the waka go. Because big dog just go, oh, the Chihuahua go run. Intel go enter between his leg immediately. Because fear don't catch him. So Simon Ekpa go leave una now. If na me be Simon Ekpa, I no even wait till month end. I go leave una, because una don't die finish. Una mouth don't die finish. Una no get anything inside again. Una don't kill una self finish. Una don't expose una self finish. So it's time we move on. It's time we tackle Ijele. It's time we begin to do programs that will kill Ijele. It's time we begin to tell the people that Ijele is as one of the enemies that want to kill us, that want to kill our children. Ijele is worse than Ebubago. Ijele is worse than the Imo State governor. Ijele is worse than Devo Mai. Ijele is as worse as all of them that went to that meeting. to organize and bring a Bibago. Ijele is worst thing as some things that are burning down our buildings and killing our families. I will drop this program now. It's time. It's 1:30. I don't try. I never stay here reach 2 hours. I don't try. I go stop them. So I am begging us all. It's time we begin to know that this time we must move on. This sit at home, we must take it to the next level. Let every Biafran, this is what I want to hear from every platform. Whether you hate me or whether you don't hate me or what I want you to do in your own platform, you believe, say you dey fight for Biafran referendum, Biafran freedom, you dey fight for unconditional release of Nnamdi Kanu and every other Biafran that is being held captive. I want you to begin to tell people to sit at home wherever they are in that Nigeria. I want you to begin to tell the market unions and market councils and market groups in everywhere in Lagos, Abuja, Kaduna, anywhere that they should sit at home on Monday at least. But as for me, I've told you why sitting at home on Sunday is compulsory. Because the Reverend Fathers, the bishops, the cardinals, all of them gathered together to bring a Bibago that is killing me and you, killing my family, setting our homes ablaze. Our bishops and pastors were there. Dave Omai was there as the head. Enyinaya Baribe was there. Senators were there. All the Southeast governors were there. I keep saying it. The only one person that was not there, governor, is the Anambra State governor. I think Obino. And he did not even send anybody to represent him. This is to tell you that he has told you my hands is not inside. As you want to do, no bring me and my people inside the Bibago. He is not in support of a Bibago. This is what I believe. But if he later joined me, I don't know. But I am telling you of the video I showed you here on Saturday. The video shows that only him, only that will be no Anambra State, will no agree join them for that meeting to bring a Bibago. You no go, you no agree go. That video no be picture. If you watch, you go see the video. Go back, you go see I'm not be the video what I do on Saturday. Now video, you there for video, you go see how bishops, pastors, all the clergies, they said they be men of God. They go join hand to bring a Bibago where they kill. And today, none of them don't stand up condemn waiting a Bibago they do. Only one man when no follow them go the meeting, Father Mbaka. In the condemn, and because in the condemn, the Roman Catholic Church, they condemn Father Mbaka, they are fighting him. Now Father Mbaka is telling them if they continue to fight him for saying the truth, he will leave Roman Catholic Church. A true Christian is a Christian with Bible in one hand and newspaper in the other hand. We must inform our people of the truth. We must educate our people of the truth. If you are a pastor and you do not condemn evil, what are you condemning? If you cannot condemn what is being done to the people, what are you condemning? Remember all the apostles of all the apostles of God Almighty in the Bible days, in the Old, in the New Testament, they were condemning bad kings. They were condemning the influence of evil kings and the evil rulers. That was why they beheaded John the Baptist. Who have you condemned as a man of God? Nobody. You join with them because they buy you motor, they buy you car, they build you mansion, they give you allocation in the best Nikon Luga, in the best of hotels. Anywhere you travel, you have key to the best suit to live. You stay as long as you want to eat whatever you want. So when they do evil, you will not condemn them. It's time we wake up. Any man of God that is not condemning what is going on in the eastern zone today, that is in the southeast as they call him, wrong for that person. He is not a true man of God. I beg you all. But as I end this program now, I say thank you to all that have listened to me today. Thank you all that have watched me today. May God bless you all and prosper you. At the end, I don't understand. She goes, what do you mean by Àťtàćkin Ekpa? Autopilot for real. No, autopilot no fit shake. Now their enemies, they shake. Now their enemy. You see, sometimes somebody go want kill you. He go carry you. He go carry you, put you for heaven. When they begin this, their autopilot of a thing, maybe the thing say autopilot and a bad thing. They don't know say a good thing. Finally, people don't come accept the autopilot. You see, they verse them again. You see? Do you see it? May God have mercy on us. My brother, my sister, I will drop this program here. Let me draw the curtain here. So I will see you again later in the evening today. I believe by the grace of God, we shall gather here again in the evening. But it depends though. It depends the time where someone ever take enter line. If he enter line earlier, let me say I no go come. But if he enter late, if he come. So by the way, that is by the way. So we will continue to preach this gospel. But first of all, remember, tell people anywhere, encourage people that it's time we begin to sit at home everywhere in Nigeria. Anywhere we find ourselves, we must agree. No be say you go sit at home as one person. No, we go sit at home. I advise make it be from the head. Every market, like you come out or Jalaba market go say on Monday we know they go market. Ladepo go say on Monday we know they go market. Computer Village go say on Monday we know they go market. If you go for Abuja, Apo Mechanic Workshop, all of them they go gather from head. You go be from union. We have to fight for our land. We have to fight for what we have, God has given to us. So that is where I will end it. I greet you all. Anywhere you are, I greet every true freedom fighter. I greet you. I salute you. May God give us the courage to stand now and stand forever. This freedom fighting is now or never. We have to get it now or lose it forever. This freedom fighting is now or never. We have to take this move now or remain silent forever. We have to fight.